What's going on, everybody? Today we're doing a what's in a tool bag review of my everyday service tool bag. We're going to start up here. I've got half of my normal nut drivers, 5/16, 1/4 inch. Normally have an insulated screwdriver. Right now it's on my unit I'm working on. Then I move over to the 13-in-1 Klein ratcheting impact screwdriver, my hammer screwdriver for all different purposes. Then we move to Klein's 8-in-1 HVAC screwdriver, more nut drivers of different sizes. In this row I have just a standard pair of channel locks, the Klein crimping tool, and Milwaukee wire stripper. Then we have Knipex 1000 volt insulated wire needle nose pliers, followed by my Dyke cutting pliers. I then have 2 stick thermometers by Fieldpiece to check temp splits. I use the Milwaukee Fuel 12 volt impact driver. I've got the Milwaukee pack out magnet tray. Coming up next, I do have in the Klein tool hard case my protective case for my Fieldpiece multimeter and alligator clamps. It stays locked away in here. Next, I keep different electrical connectors and jumpers and such in this Vito little mesh pouch. In here I keep some 2 connector and 3 connector Wagos just for basic wire repairs. My phase tape for anytime I gotta rephase wire stays in here. I just done a drain call, so I have my gallo gun and CO2 cartridges. So with this screwdriver you have different adaptable impact or adaptable insulated screwdriver bits. I keep a socket set on me. This one's really nice. It's got the adapter for your 3/8 drive going all the way up from 1/4 to 3/4 inch socket. The Supco megameter stays in here with me. After that, let me put this all back in. Then we move to this bottom row, more various nut drivers for specific jobs, whatever I'm working on. The Klein wire strippers go right there. I have the all thread ratchet running from 1/4 to 7/16, and then from 9 or half all the way up to 3/4 for whichever one I'll need. After that, I've got my temp clamp for checking superheat and subcool on units. Stays in here. In here I have standard and metric Allen keys, a fuse puller, and a non-contact voltmeter, and some ink pens. And then we'll move up into the front. In here I've got some after hours stickers, my service wrench, 2 standard Appian core tools. Following in here, I've got some spare batteries for my 5/16 Appian tool and some more different fuses of various sizes. And it is a rolling backpack with the backpack straps on it. So that's what stays day to day on my bag.